masala aloo chaat, and let's see what the ingredients are.
We need boiled and diced potato, chopped onion, tomatoes, a piece of lemon, chopped chilies, green mint chutney, curd, and for garnishing we need pomegranate seeds, savor bhujia. We also need red chili powder, we need black salt and black pepper.
When the oil is heated, we have added, and after adding butter we will add the potatoes along with the green chilies. We'll just saute them just to add the butter, and then it's done almost, so we will keep them here. Again we will add oil and add dried ginger to it. Then quickly we have to add the tomatoes. So we will add salt and water according to need, and we'll stir it until they are soft. And it's almost done. We have added a small quantity of chopped onions, and you can see it's very nicely cooked. So we have transferred it into a bowl. Now we will add our potatoes, then the onions, then we have to mix it properly. We will add red chili powder. You can also add chili flakes if you want, or you can skip it if you don't want it to be spicy. Now we have to add a little bit more white salt, then black salt. We need to add some black pepper. We need to add this one. You can use nimbu instead of lemon. Okay, done. Sit properly. It is almost done. We will top it with tomato ketchup. It's an essential part. You can use date and turmeric chutney instead of ketchup, but you can use both. Then we definitely need to add curd. This much is enough. Then we do need to add this green chutney, the top of it. I think it's done. Now we need to add this one above it. The thing that I am adding is puffed rice. A little bit of puffed rice will definitely add the crunch. I'll add a little bit more. Then I will top it with another layer of bhujia. Yeah, that's it. And then I will add some more chutney here. Yes. Now, final touch, pomegranate seeds. It looks really tasty. And so your street style spicy aloo chaat is ready. Isn't it easy? So isn't this easy? I hope this is really very easy. You can prepare it at home. You don't need much ingredients. You can skip this pomegranate part if you don't have it, and you can add some other kind of chutney if you want. And yes, I haven't used chaat masala. You can add chaat masala if you want, or amchur powder. It's up to you. So yes, you can try and experiment. Isn't it really fun stuff? And Indian chaats are really very tasty. So I'm ending it here. So like this video, share this video, comment down your thoughts below, and please subscribe to 7 Lips for more. Hope to see you next time. Stay happy, stay healthy. See you next time obviously. So keep smiling, be happy. Bye.